Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer a REST API with Docker Compose and Nginx step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have Docker and Docker Compose installed on your machine. Open your terminal to set up a new directory for your project. Navigate to that directory using the command line. Create a new file named dockercompose.yml. In the dockercompose.yml file, define your services. Start with the service for your REST API. Specify the programming language and framework your API is built with. For example, if it's a Node.js API, use the official Node.js image. Set the image version to ensure consistency across deployments. Define the container name for easier identification. Next, establish the build context for your REST API. This is where Docker will find the Docker file. Now, let's create the Docker file for your API. In the same directory, create a file named Dockerfile. Define the base image for your application. Install the necessary dependencies in the Docker file. Add your application code to the image. Set your application's environment variables appropriately. Expose the port that your API will listen to. Now, proceed to define the Nginx service in the dockercompose.yml. Use the official Nginx image as the base for your Nginx service. Create a new configuration file for Nginx. In this file, specify how Nginx will route the requests to your REST API. Set the server block to listen on port 80. Define the location block to pass requests to your API's endpoint. Indicate the upstream server, pointing to your API service. Now, return to your dockercompose.yml and link the Nginx service to your API service. Make sure to define the network settings for inter-service communication. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel